Hello, welcome to this lecture on breathwork, in particular the Tummo breath, which Wim Hof propagated over the last couple of years. This form of breathwork focuses on a deep inhale, complete inhale, and an incomplete exhale. We want to stress our nervous system through hyperventilating at first, and then in the breath hold we want to get into relaxation. So it's a deep inhale followed from letting go. You will feel different sensations, welcome them in, observe. Okay, here we go. Deep inhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Belly, chest, head and relax. Deep chest, head and relax. Focus on inhaling completely and just letting go. Don't force your breath out. Just let go. Deep inhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Deep chest, head and relax. Deep chest, head and relax. Try not to engage your neck muscles too much. Relax your shoulders, the back of your head. Just keep focusing on getting as much air in as possible and then letting go. Deep inhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Belly, chest, head and relax. Belly, chest, head and relax. And if you happen to feel dizzy at any point, just hold your breath for 10 seconds and start with the breath hold. If not, continue to breathe in deeply and exhale in completely. Deep inhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Belly, chest, head and relax. Belly, chest, head and relax. Okay, get ready for the last breath. One more deep inhale and let go. Try to relax your shoulders, your arms, your hands. Feel your fingers. Feel the back of your fingernails. Observe any tension resides in your body. Any areas that feel tensed. Watch them and let go of the tension. If at any point during this breath hold you feel the urge to breathe, then just go along with it, followed by a 10-second breath hold, and just continue to breathe. You will just get more breaths in the following round, which is a win-win. Observe your sit bones, the contact of your hamstrings to the surface you're sitting on, your knees, your shin, your toes. Get ready now. Deep inhale. Big inhale. Hold. And let go. Exhale. And get ready for the next round. Deep inhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Belly, chest, head and relax. Keep breathing in deeply and just let go. Let the pressure of the air you breathe in just follow gently, slowly out of the system without forcing it. Deep inhale and relax. Belly, chest, head and relax. Deep inhale and just let go. Remember to relax your head. Relax your neck. Try not to fill your belly with too much air. Try to make your rib cage expand in all directions. 360 breath. And again, if at any point you feel the urge to rest or you feel dizzy, just take one more deep inhale, relax and hold your breath for as long as you can. Get rid of the accumulated air in your system. Deep inhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Belly, chest, head and relax. Belly, chest, head and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Keep going. Expand that chest of yours. Fill it with air, fill it with life, and let go again. Enjoy filling your rib cage and easily let go. Deep inhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Belly, chest, head and relax. Belly, chest, head and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Keep going. Keep breathing in deeply and let go. In deep and let go. One more time. One more deep, big inhale and let go. Keep a bit of air in your lungs. Don't exhale completely. You might feel some distortions, some light distortions, some sound distortions. Maybe you see things through the back of your eyes. Get in touch with yourself, with the nature around you. Focus on any sounds you might be hearing. Whenever thoughts come through, observe them and let them go. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders. Relax your elbows, your underarms, right to your fingers and fingertips. Try to relax the space behind your fingernails. And now focus on your toes and do the same. Relax them. Feel the contacts of your lower extremity with the surface you're sitting on. Where do you feel most pressure? Where resides any tension? Is it your upper body, your neck, your shoulder, your hips? And if at any point you feel the urge to breathe, just go along with it. Don't force it. Just take a deep inhale and hold that breath for about 10 seconds and continue the next round on your own. You'll get more breaths in that round, which will enable you to last longer in the following round. Okay, get ready. Big inhale all the way in through your nose. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. Feel the expansion in your chest. Enjoy it. And let go. Get ready for the next round. And deep inhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Expand the chest of yours. Fill the chest and let go. Just like in life, you need to let go. Deep inhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Belly, chest, head and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Remember that with every inhale, you take from the plant world and you give back to the plant world with every exhale. It's a cycle. A cycle that's beneficial to both worlds. Deep inhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Belly, chest, head and relax. Feel the expansion in the chest and let go. Let's still try to relax your neck, your shoulders. Try to expand your chest in every direction. Don't just fill your belly. Focus on your ribs, on the sides, your upper back. Try to feel every inch of your chest. And if at any point you feel like you're about to faint, or you're getting dizzy, or you feel unwell, then just stop. Finish this round with a deep inhale, hold it for a few seconds, and breathe normally. If that's not the case, just keep breathing in and letting go. Deep inhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Belly, chest, head and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Expand the chest of yours. Fill it deeply. Think outside of your chest. Try to expand the chest to a point it hasn't gone so far. Deep inhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Keep going. Deep inhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax. Belly, chest, head and relax. Deep inhale and relax. We're almost there. Keep going. A few more breaths. Deep inhale. One more time. One big inhale all the way in and let go. The distortions that you saw and heard might have increased. You might feel a gentle throbbing, a pulsating in your head. You might feel the repercussions of expanding your chest. Perhaps your intercostal muscles are throbbing or twitching. Enjoy the relaxed state of your chest, of your rib cage. Feel into your body, feel your shoulders, your neck. Has the initial tension that you felt resided? Has it stayed? Does it feel different? How does the contact to the surface you're sitting on feel? Any muscles tensed? Relax your hip, your knees, your upper thigh, your lower thigh, your ankles. Feel your toes. Try to sense the area behind your toenails. Try to relax that area. Focus on your fingers. And try to do the same for them. Now get ready. Deep inhale. All the way in. Enjoy this deep inhale. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. And let go, exhale. This was the last round. I hope you enjoyed these 3 cycles of Tummo breath from Tibet. You should feel relaxed and more connected to nature, the world around you, to yourself than before. In case any areas in your body have tensed and don't feel as relaxed as before you started, remember to not engage that area too much. Mostly that is the case with the neck muscles and the shoulders. The music is still going to continue for a bit. Use this time to keep your eyes shut. Focus on your breath. Long inhales and long exhales. This breathwork video can be the start of something beautiful. Make it part of your daily routine, either in the morning or in the evening, whenever it suits you best. It's a great start in the day to fill your system with air, to appreciate nature supplying the air to us. This is also a time to practice gratitude for the change in your life, for the resources you're getting, perhaps for this video, for this course, for this day, one more day that we get to live on this beautiful planet.